Hello everyone and welcome to my server. My name is Dan and today we're going to be exploring some stuff. This is just a little thing that I've been working on. I'd like to show off. When I came on here the other day with, I think it was Dark X, he just absolutely vaporized a hole through my command block chain. So the whole lightning rig that I set up is completely vaporized, which means it's just gone forever. That's okay, it happens on live streams. Um, this is my fireballs. I have to get rid of all these fireballs. It's super annoying actually. Sometimes you set something up and you're like, this is a good idea, and then it turns out that every time you summon it, it's ridiculously frustrating to get rid of it. Anyway, I have been working on something. I did this a while ago. This is a little thing. This pressure plate is quite overpowered. It's a very special type of pressure plate. Look what happens when I step on it. Oh, I would not want to be anyone standing within the vicinity of that at all. I don't really know yet how exactly I should set this because sometimes it breaks the pressure plate. That could actually be a good mechanic. I'm not sure yet whether or not it is. I feel like I have to. I should probably build a blast wall around here so that you're actually safe when you trigger it. So the idea is there'll be lots of enemies coming at you, right? If I have some zombies, actually, I might. There's got to be something that doesn't burn in the day. Maybe some zombie pigmen, some endermen. No, they teleport everywhere. How about some wither skeletons? There's actually a spawning for these. You don't have to summon them in with commands anymore, which is quite useful. So I would have a bunch of enemies, and they're all surrounding me. These guys want me dead. There's a lot of them. I've maybe ticked them off by looting one of their chests accidentally, and now the whole neighborhood is angry at me. I can now... Oh dear, this guy's going to be perfectly fine. If I just run through very briefly, I can now smite them, and it should wipe out most of my enemies in one go. And it's infinitely reusable, which is good about command blocks. I can smite every type of entity. The only thing this is not good against is creepers. If I have creepers here, all it's going to do is make them more powerful, because when you strike creepers with lightning, they might get eliminated by the lightning, by the explosions from the TNT minecarts, but if these guys happen to be standing in a zone that is not particularly smote by my command block. There's also arrows that rain from the sky in various directions. There's a huge big command block map. I'll just show you very briefly what it looks like underneath. It's not super impressive, but it's just a chain of command blocks basically that run around here, and they do the job. They really get the job done. I can go back over here. If I go over here, it looks like there's nothing here. I've put a barrier here. This is just so that I know where to place the pressure plate. Otherwise, it's just not going to trigger. But oh, look at this. We get charged creepers everywhere. The problem is sometimes the TNT minecarts might not. See, these guys survived. Might not eliminate everything. I've also got this guy over here. I think I fixed it. This one is called the TNT minecart tornado. So this right here is my attempt at a TNT minecart tornado. And basically it's just a looped circle of TNT minecarts that are summoned in with a chain of command blocks. It was quite simple to build actually. Anyone who knows commands will know this is quite basic. But it's a snake of TNT minecarts. I could loop it ultimately. If you wanted to, you could pulse this, but I don't want to do it because it's going to lag the server out. Over here we have the smite arrows from above. That's just a command that it normally summons twice just because there's a command block directly under this pressure plate, so there's going to be one wave of arrows and then another one's going to come and trigger it. This one is a slightly more overpowered one. It has arrows and lightning. So you've got like the lightning, the smite of God coming down from heaven right here. If we come over here, but I'm not going to trigger the fireball one. That's super annoying. This one is another minecart one. This is just a very basic one. This one also got destroyed by Dark X. I can't remember what their play name is, but it got destroyed when he did a TNT fill. This one here is completely broken. This used to be... I don't know why it's broken. What's wrong with it? Okay, there's just a little bit of redstone dust missing here. This might be an easy fix, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's really broken. It used to be a lot more TNT minecarts. They're double triggers as well because the TNT minecart triggers the other thing. This is a very, very cool little thing. It summons an X. I call it the Smite of X, like the Media Titan Twitter. because when you step on it, it summons an X-shaped wall of TNT minecarts and just blows everything up. It'd be interesting to see how much damage this does to the Wither. I'm just going to summon the Wither real quick and we'll check this out. Here we go. We've got the Wither. Let's see how this boss stands up to my smiting. Lightning doesn't seem to do much damage to the Wither, but the TNT does. I'm hoping he doesn't step out of the kill box, because if he does, it's going to be very hard to get rid of him. I can just keep spamming this as well. It's not limited by time, really, at all. There's about a 3-second recharge, so it's quite quick to reuse. Oh, look at that! Oh no, he's stepping out of the kill box. Come on, come back in, little guy. I could lure him in maybe with something, I'm not sure. Can I get him with arrows? I'm not sure. Look at that. Oh, that's some damage right there. I think I need to lure him in with a bait of animal. We need something that he would normally attack. Yeah, the Wither attacks everything, so if I were to put a creeper over here, it's going to lure him over, and he's going to attack the creeper. The creeper is our sacrificial distraction, and we place a pressure plate here. He gets absolutely smoked. Look. Oh, we defeated the Wither with just a pressure plate. Anyway, I'm going to end the video there, so thank you for watching. This is just a little project I got going. If anyone has ideas of what you want me to build with command blocks, as long as it's very basic commands, I can probably pull it off. I'm not super advanced in the command block world, but I can do very, very basic things, like this, which looks quite cool. It'd be cool in slow motion. What does it sound like? I'm just going to check really quickly before I end this video. If we turn the sound all the way up, and we set this, is this the right system default PNP audio device? This should work. Actually, no. Can I get it to go to the desktop? I'm not sure if you guys will hear the sound effects or not as well, because it sounds terrifying. There's just... I don't know if you guys heard that on the audio or not, but there is just a absolute tsunami of noise that happens when this goes off, when you have sound enabled. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.